Marius here. I just wanted to wave and say, hi, I'm here. And then I'm going to proceed to talk about the coronavirus. And I've been asked to answer these four questions right here. So I'm going to go ahead and do that right now. I've made this little presentation here. Let's see if I can get it full screen. So, the coronavirus and how close are we to a vaccine? So I'm going to start off by answering this question. How is a vaccine created? And a vaccine is usually created by scientists using a tiny little portion of the original virus. And when you get the vaccine, your body learns how to fight it and it prepares for fighting the virus at any point where you might be exposed to it. And for example, the vaccine for measles was created by using a tiny bit of the weakened vaccine. And then, but in this case, scientists cannot really recreate a vaccine from a tiny bit of the weakened virus because we don't know what the virus is. So the coronavirus vaccine is created by a different approach. It's called plug and play, and it's where scientists build the virus from the genetic code. And I'll move on to the next question. How close are we to creating a vaccine for coronavirus? And the article reads that experts think the vaccine will be ready in the middle of 2021. And the development of a vaccine usually takes years and sometimes even decades. So that would be pretty fast. It usually takes a long time for a vaccine to be approved because it has to go through several clinical trials, and the scientists really have to make sure that it's effective and safe to use on humans. And the next question, what can we do while we wait for a vaccine? The article doesn't specifically say what we can do while waiting for a vaccine, but it's just common sense that we have to follow all government guidelines and we need to stay isolated, we need to keep practicing social distancing and good hygiene as well. And the final question, the difference between an endemic, epidemic, and a pandemic. An endemic is it's like Ebola. It's where there's an outbreak in a certain place for a certain amount of time, and it's pretty much present all year round. An epidemic is an outbreak with a increasing and then decreasing curve, just like the flu. And a pandemic is an epidemic that happens all around the world at the same time, just like the coronavirus. Thank you for listening.